Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get Varo Bank on your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular Varo Bank app on your phone and go and search for and type in Varo Bank. Right after you do that, you will search it up and then your app will simply show up. Now from over here, all you gotta do is tap on this get option or the download icon that will be shown. Simply tap on it and your app will be downloaded to your mobile phone likewise, and you will have access to it. Now once you have got your app, simply go ahead, tap on this open option, which will simply let you add in your credentials or create a new account for you to simply start using Varo. Now if you don't have an account, is this your first time accessing, tap on I don't have an account, add in your email address, your US mobile number, your password with this criteria given at the bottom, and tap on join today. You will be able to join them and have an account. And now you can simply go back, open your app up. You will simply be able to add in the information and log in and use it however you would prefer. That's how easy it is for you to use it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.